If you have the Apple Watch Ultra and you want the best protection possible for your brand new, really expensive watch, Supcase has a brand new watch band out. It's the UB Pro XT. Now the difference between the regular UB Pro and the XT is the XT is an all metal case, whereas the regular UB Pro is just made of a TPU material. Again, so if you want the most extreme protection for your Apple Watch, you're definitely going to want to check out this band. And I will also be putting links in the video description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. So let's go ahead and check it out. It comes in this really nice little metal tin here. Very cool. Here we have a little installation package. We'll check that out in just a second. Here is the band itself. Looks really nice, feels very solid, and like I said before, this whole piece right here is made of a solid metal. It does not feel cheap at all. It's got your little action button on the side here, your cutouts for your power button in the crown, and the band is still made of that rubbery type material. It's got the carbon fiber inlay all the way around, looks really nice. And it has an all-metal buckle at the end here as well. Very solid design. So now let's check out our installation package here, see what we get inside. So here it looks like we get 2 tempered glass screen protectors for the front of your watch and your installation packets. Very cool. So I went ahead and installed one of the tempered glass screen protectors. Looks really nice on the watch. It does have that black band all the way around the watch's face, but you can't even really tell that it's there because the watch actually does have a black band around the screen. The screen doesn't actually come all the way to the edge. And if we take a look on the inside of the case, as you can see, it's got a nice rubbery inlay on the inside to protect your watch from getting all scratched up and for shock absorption. This is also not made of a cheap thin metal. It is super solid. It's not bending. You don't have to worry about it cracking or anything like that. Your watch is definitely going to be protected inside of this case. So now all you need to do to put your watch inside the band is put your watch band face down here and then take your watch, and what you want to do is you want to press in the little side that has the action button first because there is a little cutout for your other buttons. Just make sure that lines up with the watch. Put one end in like that and then just simply press in the rest of the watch just like that. Goes in nice and smooth and it stays in there really well. You don't have to worry about it just popping out. And that's what it looks like with the watch inside. Very clean look. Fits really well with that screen protector. And as you can see, it still has a raised edge all the way around the screen. In case you happen to knock your watch against something, it'll hit this metal piece instead of your screen on the watch. It's got those really aggressive bumpers in the side, very nice. Seems like you can still access the crown. It sticks out just enough to where you can still manipulate it. And then you have your power button on the side. And then over on the other side here, we have our cutouts for our microphone, our speaker, and our action button. Pressing the action button here. Yep, action button works really well. Don't have to worry about that. Touch also seems to work really well on the screen, so no issues there. And then if you're wondering about wireless charging, you don't have to take the band off. You just simply put your watch on the charger and it'll start to charge. And then here it is on my wrist. Fits really well. As you can see, the band there with the carbon fiber inlay looks really cool. Again, this band is really nice. It's made out of like a rubbery type plastic. Again, that all metal buckle on the back there. Very nice rugged design. So you definitely don't have to worry about your watch getting damaged, especially if you're doing some extreme things, maybe biking, hiking, things like that. Your watch is definitely going to be protected. And we'll make a call real quick to see how that sounds.
T-Mobile. Hi, Anthony. So tell me, how can I help you today?
No issues with the speaker. And in fact, if anything, I'd say it makes it a little bit louder because it kind of bounces off of the case itself. Very cool design. And it also doesn't feel super heavy on your wrist either. So as you can see, the bezel around the watch's screen protects the screen in case something happens to come in contact with the case itself. And as you can see, this metal top here is not touching the screen. So in case you happen to knock your watch against something, you don't have to worry about it touching the screen, and you also have that screen protector on there. And then if you want to get your watch out of the case, all you simply need to do is press down on the screen from the side that has your buttons on it, and you can get it to pop out of place very easily. So again, that is the Supcase UB Pro XT case band for the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. What do you guys think about the all-metal design? Do you already have a UB Pro, and will you be picking up the UB Pro XT? Let me know in the comments below. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.